second. If you're here, I'm setting everything up. Hey, what's up, Tony? How's it going, bro? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Can you hear me well? Is the music too loud, maybe? Let me turn it down, just in case. Second, I'll mute the music just for a second. I'm not sure if it's too loud, and I'm checking right now. That's why I muted it. Yeah, it seems like it was too loud. Okay, do this and this, and then ad is popping up. No, what is this? I'm not sure if it's too loud, and I'm checking right now.
I can't be bothered.
Why I muted it. Okay, that should be it. Yeah, it seems like it was. Yeah. Okay. I guess let's get into it. Maybe. I don't know. Still haven't gotten the hang of OBS, so kind of fucking things up. But we'll see. I guess. Okay, thank you for giving me feedback on the music. So yeah, what is going on with the markets? 50k is actually a resistance, which I didn't believe would be the case, because like an obvious level usually isn't the resistance, but I guess whatever. We'll see how it plays out over the next maybe few hours, maybe few days, because I wanted us to do this, just maybe go around here and stop there and not tag 50 or today. Wow, I didn't know that. Let's just be sure. February 2024. Yeah, it seems like it is today. At 8:30 a.m. I don't know. I don't think the results are out. But who knows? Yeah, it's today. Okay, but I think it should be bullish, because with all that's going on, this tells me that the news should be bullish. So I guess we'll see. 52k, 53k is a point of time at this point. I'm officially not a bear at all anymore. Like, I don't care if the price moves maybe to 47, maybe to 45. I'm still going to be bullish and be buying every single drop. So the lows are somewhat out of the question now, because this is just extremely bullish. Like, let's see. 8 green daily candles. What else could you ask for? Like, I don't know. 8 green candles are an indication of what's going on, because let's see here. Like before 2021, 2020, somewhere in that period. Let's see how many we had here. 8 candles. Like, you could technically, I don't want to be sure when I'm saying this, but you could technically say that we are here. We might have a drop of like 10%. That's not even that much. Like, let me just pull up another chart. Okay, actually, yeah, let's just go back where we are now and see what a 10% move would be. From the top, 10% would be around 45k. Like, that doesn't stress me at all, to be honest, because 45k is still enough for me to buy and for me not to get bearish. Like, I would get bearish if it felt like below maybe 43.8. This is a huge level if you've been following my analysis, but below 45 it's still fine. Like, 10% drop would be okay. Yeah, alts would die, that's for sure, especially with this being so high, but it's gotten a local top, so I don't know where this is headed. Like, maybe we retest this zone, maybe we retest this zone and go up from there. It all depends on how Bitcoin moves, because if Bitcoin does a sharp move in any direction, like if it goes up, like if Bitcoin does this, BTC dominance will do this, or maybe even more steep than that. And if Bitcoin falls, BTC dominance will rise as well. So if BTC does something like this, mostly ranging but going up, like slow TWAP, that is when the alts are going to rally. So macro picture, I'm not concerned at all. So yeah, we could delete this just so it's not as cluttered, and just put something like this. Yeah, perfect. Just so we know that is where the previous stop was. So this looks good, I'm not gonna lie to you. This looks really good. So I guess even if we do something like this over the week, maybe something like this, retest this key level, that is where I'm long from. Like, if we retest this and don't do this in the meanwhile, don't like fall like this, because if it goes like that, obviously it's short-term bearish, so I'm not long in that. But if we get a move like this, maybe something like this, yeah, I'll look for longs. Look for long, maybe if we get over this level. Long there, stops below the lows that we create. Just wait for higher prices. Wait for 53k, wait for 55k. If you want it, maybe not 55k. Now that I'm thinking of it, this would mostly be a intraday, or maybe a day that you would hold for a few days. So maybe wait for 50k, take that as TP1, and then 52k as TP2. Potentially leave a moon bag for 53, 55k. But yeah, with a trade like this, the RR is relatively good, so I wouldn't mind it. But yeah, let me just see something. Let me see, maybe I still haven't closed my trades on Blowfin, by the way. I'm still holding all of those, even Solana, OP, and Bitcoin. I think I took profit on OP because I saw it struggling. Let me just check. Yeah, TP'd around somewhere in the half of this move, because yeah, almost got to my level, didn't get my TP there. Just reduced size by like 40%, I think. Not quite 50%, but yeah, around 40%. I forgot actually to say I'm streaming, so maybe more people can come in. Yeah, let's do it on Twitter and on Telegram, so why not? By the way, if you're still here, this is a chill stream, like nothing too big, no big ideas, we're just chilling, watching the charts, so Okay. Oh, that's good to hear. I don't know, because the OBS thing is fucking me up. Like, I used to have the chart here and my picture and everything, and right beside that on my second screen would be the live chat and the information about the stream, but I don't know how to get it back. And maybe stream, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I can't see it. I mean, no one cares. I can still see the YouTube chat, so that's fine. Oh, maybe, yeah, docs, stats. Yeah, I found it. I don't need this one, but I will do YouTube live. Yeah. Yeah, should be good now. Okay, thank God. Okay, it seems all to be good now. Yeah, it's working. I found it in the OBS settings. But yeah, OP, this is a key level here this week, because it extends to these levels, which is a big confidential area, as you can see. So I'll probably put stops around here. I think that would be in profit. I mean, I know that would be in profit, but still, I don't want to get closed on OP because it had such crazy strength yesterday. So I think it rides higher, but I don't know. 3.9, $4 would be nice to get. But yeah, Solana is doing great. It's still up 1.6%. Crazy strength from Solana. And it's a swing trade, by the way. So yeah, I'm making a substantial amount of money on it. Up 100% now. BTC still doing good, and yeah, OP is almost getting closed. So not looking too good, but I don't care after all. INJ, yeah, I actually bought a bit of INJ the last few days, last 2 days actually, around 34 to 35. Also advised my friends to buy it because I really like this coin. So this one is not getting sold below 3 digits, at least for me and my friends, because I guess I'm their financial advisor. But yeah, looking good overall. All of this, I can delete it now. Fuck. Why can't I delete this shit? Okay, like this. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, all of this move, like, this looks bearish if you go to the 1 hour time frame. Maybe not now, but it did look bearish like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So the thing is, this all looks like one big reaccumulation, at least for me, because you can see it happening on. I'll show it on other alts, but we had a huge move up from 16. I mean, you could even look at it from this, but I'll just look from 16. Like 150% move. That's great. And from here it's even crazier. Yeah, almost 500%. But let's look at it. Look at it from this perspective. You had your expansion, and let's do it like this. you had your big expansion. Place it with a red line. Big expansion. Then you have your accumulation, which could technically be like this, but it could also be a flag pattern if you like it like that. This is technically a flag pattern, so a flag. And unless you go below these, like these that were at the halfway, they could be up here, depends on the coin. Oh, hi Moby. If you don't go below this, like this whole area is your invalidation zone. If you go through here and don't manage to hold it, it's invalidated. But and if you manage to hold it, but if you take these lows, you should be buying them, because the next move can be happening anytime. Like as soon as you break out of the accumulation, you could expect the next move. Sometimes markets just do this over and over again, and sometimes you just don't get a chance to get in. Solana, I think, is a good example of that. Let's go here. And this is on a much higher time frame, so we can put it a bit lower. But yeah, something like this. You had your move from up here to up here. This, of course, is shorter because the bull market has already been going for some time, but you had your 8 days. 8 days. Let's round it up to 10 days. 8 days of accumulation phase. So put something like this, and look at what's been going on after. You don't get a chance to get in, and the only time you see it pulling back, I mean, this is a 1 day pullback, 2 day pullback maybe, yeah, 2 day pullbacks, but the only time you see it actually pulling back and you get bullish, it's usually around here. And around here wouldn't be the best buy, because if you have your invalidation intact, you would get invalidated like right here, close to the bottom actually. And just imagine getting in at the top, local top at least, getting out here at the local bottom, and just seeing it rally up like a few 100%, yeah, 120%. Not the best move. So INJ is, I think, in this phase, and I can recommend you guys buy it. It's a great coin. The institutions are actually getting into it, so why wouldn't you want to be in it? And let me just check out the market cap just to make sure. INJ, I know it's pretty high up. I bought it much lower. Yeah, it's at the 28th place. But this is one of those coins that you buy for safety, like just for stability in your portfolio, because it can go crazy, but it's still stable. You don't expect it to die off, so that is a coin I can recommend everyone to buy. Of course, not as financial advice, but just think about it, do your analysis, but I can recommend you guys buying it. Oh yeah, CPI. Let's check out CPI. Is it live now though? US inflation falls to 3.1%, higher than expectations. Yeah, not the best thing. Let's see how BTC is reacting to it. Not the best news, but I don't expect a big news thing. CPI results. Let's just see what was expected. I think it was a 0.1% difference. Summary. Oh, fuck this shit. I can't seem to find it though. Yeah, 3.1%, smaller increase than the 3.4% increase of the 12 months ending December. So yeah, basically as expected. It's higher than expectations. So let's go to here. Maybe this year is a bit better when it comes to inflation, but we'll see. 2.9. Why do I see 3.1? I'll just copy the text, the chat. DXY. Let me see DXY. Oh wow. Okay. yeah. This is acting like a cryptocurrency. Yeah, this is not the best thing for risk-on assets, but we'll see how long it takes and how long it will stay like this. Maybe clear these highs. Oh yeah, expected 2.9. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, it cleared to these highs, so let's see what's next. I haven't charted DXY in so fucking long. Yeah, this right here, actually, combined with these and these, should be the key level of resistance at least. But I don't know. I think we maybe get to the 0.75 of the range. Yeah, seems to be pulling back, at least a tiny bit. On the 3 minutes probably. No, not even on the 3 minutes. Let's see how we close it. Let's close this one, even though it's insignificant. Okay, let me just pull up this. See how the liquidations are going. Wait 1 second. Yep. Let me just see if the stream's, yeah, the stream's okay. Yeah, a lot of selling volume coming in, but buyers are keeping it up somewhat. Let's go to the 4 hour and see how the EMAs are looking. Cody gave me these EMAs like they are coded. 48. Yeah, this is a key EMA that we want to hold. It's a short-term one, but it's still go. Catch you later, Moby. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, these. Let me just give you the info. 730 and the 240. This is the 4 hour EMA now. This is the 30 and this is the 240, most likely. Just look at how the price reacts off of them. On the 4 hour and the higher time frames, it usually works better, but it does somewhat work on the lower time frames. Let's see the 2 hour. Yeah, we're below on the 2 hour, and probably the 1 hour as well. 1 hour is probably even higher, maybe. Yeah, a bit higher. But yeah, look at this. The low of the candle was 49,569, 49,557. So really respects them. That's the thing to keep in mind. And DXY started to be bullish. I might close out some of my longs actually. I don't know. Let me just see how they're doing. Yeah, OP got close break even. You know what I might actually do is get a bit of a higher leverage as we fall over. So maybe as we close in on 49k, I'll increase the leverage. Yeah, I think I'll do that actually. I won't close out anything yet. OP is TP'd. I don't need it to go below my entries, so close break even. I think there's something else I wanted to talk about, but I don't remember. Yeah, INJ. Let me just do this. I don't know why my PC is lagging like crazy. I'm in my laptop. INJ. Yeah, maybe because I have like 30 tabs open, makes sense now. And most of them are active, like YouTube, Blowfin, TradingView, and so on. INJ. 3 billion market cap, which is not low, but I think it goes to at least 40. At least 40. The thing is, when I look at the market caps of different coins, by the way, what the fuck is this? So many liquidations. Yeah, wow. Okay, buying volume coming in. What are people buying? Let me see. People are buying a random level. Must not be random. Just not something I've tagged. Yeah, it doesn't seem so random, but I guess we can mark it out on the lower time frame. So why not? Yeah, this low. This is something to look for now on the smallest time frames. So maybe I should do something like this. Yeah, this is the zone to hold. But yeah, by the way, INJ. What did I want to say? The thing I look at is Cardano. This is the coin I despise. Like, I despise it. It is at 20 fucking billion on market cap. Why the fuck does this coin have that much money in it? That is a coin I tend to compare the big old coins like INJ, like DOT or something. Let me just see how it would look if I maybe turn down the light. Maybe put it like this. Seems better, I think. Why not put on the hat as well? This hat gives me luck when I'm trading, so why not? Yeah, I think it's better. Much better, actually. Maybe if I put it like this. But it's in the middle of the screen now, so no. Ninja is bearish, actually. I don't know, I can't be bearish with this happening. Like, why would I be bearish if the price is moving like this? Yeah, I can understand us falling lower maybe, but being bearish is not something I will do. There is no reason to be bearish. Like, it's not a short time frame thing, it's a longer time frame thing, so why would I put myself against the market when it's been going up for so long? I mean, this is not a healthy move. I've already said it, but these are the moves. By the way, I don't mean that. I'm not paying attention. This is not a healthy move. This is pure inefficiency, but that is how a bull market move starts. That is something that happens every time in the beginning. Like, is this move safe? Is this move safe? No, it's no, they're not. But that is just how the market moves when it's bullish. So yeah, if we are here, as I said previously in the beginning of the stream, why the fuck would I be fading? Like, why would I want to be fading this? Let's actually let me just find it. Is it this? Yeah, it's that. Let's see, we are here. I'm like, place it towards here, so maybe cut this and just apply it to the market now. I just want to test my theory out. Maybe this whole thing, actually I forgot what I cut, but I don't know, I can scale it up let me just cut it perfectly, so I know what I want to do. And let's go to the creator chart, to daily. What did I say? I said that we are here, so go from the bottom up to this move. So yeah, this is the consolidation area. And if we apply it to the market now, let's say that we are in the consolidation area, stretch it out a bit. So we are now in the consolidation area. Let's say like that. We moved up from here. Place the consolidation area, yeah. Place it so it's somewhere around here. It actually lines up a bit. It's a violent move, then consolidation. And then the next area would be around 58k. The big move would be up to 100k. That is something I'm looking at. Like, it doesn't have to play it like this. I'm just giving you an example. Imagine fading here. Imagine saying, yeah, I'm waiting for 30k now that the big level has been reclaimed. Like, I'm public about all of my opinions. I'm public about all of my trades. I'll say, yeah, I'm waiting for 35k when I'm waiting for 35k. I'm not gonna act like I didn't say I'm waiting for 35, 36k when we were around 40k. Because I was. It made sense back then. If we manage to reclaim the big levels right here, like this whole area, if we manage to reclaim it, I'm changing bias. Like, I don't care. I already had my spot from lower. I'm already trading every day of the based off the shorter time frames. Why would I not change bias and get money? Like, I'm already making money from buying here in the 45, 46. Not here, for the 40s. So buying lower, buying in the middle of the move, just not buying on the top of the move is my goal. So I don't know. I changed bias, of course. Now the next move I wanna have is the one to 58k. Like, yeah, the 53k is a lower time frame one. I think if we manage to catch up to 43k, I think that is where we make a sort of a lower time frame resistance. Okay. Since you're back now, I just want to show you my idea, Moby. I'm basically saying that we are here at the moment where we were in the cycle of 2021, and I did something like this where we had the move up, and now we're consolidating, and the next move up. Yeah, let's actually, why not do this? Like, even though it's delusional, why not do this? So this up to like here, got it. Go up here, you can see that we had the move up. Maybe this is something like this. Just scale it on a bigger level, but on a much bigger level though, because this is the consolidation area that we need now. Yeah, something like this. Why not? Why wouldn't this be the case? Like, I mean, it does seem crazy. 150k, 160k, it does seem crazy. But if you look from here to here, we had a 250% move up. Let's see where that puts us. So, around there. If you see from the bottom, 500% move up. Let's say we go a bit, because it's diminishing returns. It doesn't give the same returns every year. It goes lower. But let's say from the bottom, maybe not from the bottom, but from here, 400%, 130k. Like, why the fuck not? Who wouldn't want Bitcoin to be at 130k? So that is something I'm looking at and that I want to see. So of course, yeah, ETF is such a big game changer. Yeah, we will need to play it a bit differently. We will need to be smart about it, because we have to think about where the masses are going to offload, like these levels, 64Ks, 70Ks. Yeah, modest bias for all-time highs is fair. That's what I wanted to say. All-time highs are getting cleared so easily, by the way, but I think, yeah, 40K, 40% move isn't that big, but that is getting cleared for sure. I just don't know how much higher we'll go. If we go to 90K, if we go to 100K, if we go to 130K, I genuinely don't have an idea of where we are headed. But we are not here to predict where it goes. We are here to be positioned for where we can go and just offload at key levels. But you want to think about where the masses are going to offload, because it's like 64K desktop right here, 68K, 69K, those are all the levels where mostly retail is going to offload. And I think the big players are either going to offload a bit earlier, maybe around 58K, this one, or higher at like 80K. And just by offloading, I mean getting a lot of money out of crypto. So 21% correction, so I haven't to admit that dreaming is okay. First TP 70K, why not? Like 70K is a piece of cake. It's just a point of time. If you're patient enough to get out there and not be like, yeah, it's going up to 58%, 58K, I'm going out. You don't. The bull market rewards confidence and persistence, so that is something I'm looking for. Let's see ETH. What can ETH do here? ETH is bouncing off the level I've marked yesterday on the stream. This whole area is good for a bounce, and I said I would long if we get there, but I forgot to. And I can't be bothered trading ETH because it's trading like absolute shit at the past few months. Like none of these moves were good to trade. Like it usually front runs us. I just don't like trading ETH. I personally stick to trading high leverage on Bitcoin and low leverage on like Solana, OP, INJ, and so on and so forth. I'll be honest, I don't want to see Solana lose these highs. These highs are as low as I want Solana to go. Or I cut my longs in profit because I'm long from here. OP, I don't know if I want to get back into it. I got stopped here. Oh, hi. What is up? I think on the stream tomorrow, or maybe some stream this week, I want to be on Discord with you guys, just talking and streaming at the same time. Tia is doing good. Let's see this. Wow, we have billions in 15-minute volume. This is something that you don't see every day, but it's CPI after all, so makes sense. Yeah, crazy volume. Let's actually refresh it, so we get fresh data. Well, let me see super. Yeah, checked it out back when you tweeted about it, but I still didn't get into it. Is it at all-time highs? No, not yet. Not even close. Wow. I mean, I can chart it out if you want me to. These levels are mostly relevant, but yeah, this was a supreme level for buying. Support, resistance, and just instantly flip support. If you bought here, I congratulate you, brother. 1 second. This right here looks like a level to claim if you want to go higher. let's put it in black. We don't need everything to be red. Yeah, this in black. These highs right here, previous distribution. So yeah, I think it's headed on its way to 1.23, maybe in the next few days. After that, 1.8, and who knows how much higher it goes. With these highs as well, that's like 2.3, I think. Let's just do this. 2.2, and maybe get to these highs right here. That is something I'm looking at for this coin, but I'm not in from lower, so I don't know if I want to get in now. 1 second, let me just answer something. Answer my friend. Oh yeah, by the way, maybe let me just see how it's acting now. Yeah, this got instantly bought up. Wow. I don't know, guys. As I said, this is not the market to be bearish in. Like, you are not gaining anything. Even if you have like a 5 to 10% move downwards, you're not going to gain as much as you will just being bullish, like delusionally bullish. So that is something I'm aiming towards. Buying every dip probably. Because a big move is going. I feel it. This was a big move, an even bigger one is coming. This is almost a 20% move. That is absolutely fucking nothing. The next one should take us to the highs. So yeah. Let's see how Solana's doing. By the way, guys, if you have any coin requests or something, feel free to ask me. I want to try shit out, so why not? Solana got put up. Check on Beam. Let me see. Beam. Let me just see how small of a coin this is. Oh, it's not small at all. Yeah, 1.5 bill. Let's see what we are working with. It's on Bybit. Wait. Let's see KuCoin or something like that. Guess MEXC works. Yeah, MEXC has more data on it. 70% last week. Oh yeah. Wait, last week? What? .09. I mean, I'm not seeing the 70%, but it does look solid. I mean, it doesn't look solid, to be honest. It's another one. Oh, it's the one on Bybit. Why the fuck are they different though? What? I mean, yeah, this one looks much better, by the way. The other one is not looking as good. Yeah. I mean, I can't check this shit out. Did it just get listed on Bybit or what? Let me see. Yeah, it is this one. Maybe check it out on BitGet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this makes sense. But it's at all-time highs, so. wouldn't be too worried about it. If you got in at 0.09. No, is this the one? November listed. What the fuck is wrong with the chart, man? Oh yeah, my bad. But I mean, still, it's at all-time highs, so. So yeah, I would personally buy it on our retest of this level, if you're looking to buy it, and maybe add up here. Yeah, this is a good level to get in. Oh, that makes sense, because I can see the coin is relatively new and already like pretty high on the market cap side of it. So 1.5 bill, 52nd place. It makes sense that it was just a rebranding. Let me just see something. Wait, maybe it's better like this. Yeah. Let me see how I look with this on. It's fine, because it's a bit cold in my room and I don't want to open the door because I don't want to interrupt my family, so what can we take a look on? Let's see how things are moving up and down. Top gainer makes sense. Do we have anything that's interesting here? HNT is a coin that surprised me, to be honest. I had a friend that bought a miner back when it was popular in the last cycle, and he didn't sell anything. Wait, what? I don't know what's going on with the site. Okay, seems to be working. And he has a ton of HNT. So he's in profit by a lot, I think. Because I don't think he turned it off at all, so... I'm surprised to see this move. I'll be honest with you guys, I thought it was dead. Let me just... Yeah, I thought this one was dead for sure. I mean, he bought the miner near the top, but still. Wait, this is not even... I don't know why it's so old. Why it's not old enough, I don't know. Let me just check Gate.io. Oh yeah, 2021. He bought it near the top, like in this area, so... I don't know if he's in profit, because he mined all the way through this. He might be in profit, I don't know. Let's see what else is there. Solana is number 4 already. What? Ain't no way, bro. Let me just see. Yeah, Solana's number 4. Wow. I mean, it's not even getting close to Ethereum, but it seems more and more realistic for it to get above Ethereum, but I don't think it happens. Oh wait, my hat fell down. Okay, I was talking to, I don't know who it was on Twitter. I don't know who it was, but basically they said Ethereum is one thing and Solana is a completely other thing. And I don't think... By the way, I messed it up. Ethereum is one thing and Solana is basically a copycat of that. And I think that is extremely right, because Solana is basically like a little brother of Ethereum, just watching up to him and doing everything the same. So besides the fees, I don't think there is much going on with Solana that would bring people from ETH back to Solana. And the fees could get worse, so who knows? I mean, fees right now lower than yesterday. Yesterday the fees were fucking amazing. Like I tested it. It was like $65 for $1 to get transferred. So fuck that shit. Yeah, back to the movers. IMX went down a lot. Let me see link. I mean, it's not looking bad at all. Being above this level and even this level is amazing. So I'm not buying Link. I wanted to buy it in the bear market, but I was like, yeah, this is a dead coin. It's not moving anywhere. So even if it goes up to the highs, not as much potential as there would be on like INJ or something. What is a coin I wanted? Oh, Rose, I love it. I mean, it is pretty high up there now. I bought it near the lowest points. Wait, yeah, number 82. It's already went up pretty high, but almost $1 billion in market cap. But if it gets like 20 billion, that would be good. Chart it out from a clean chart. But yeah, 0.5 is getting tagged easily. But let's see about the levels we are above currently. Oh fuck. I mean, mostly this one. Let's chart it out like this. One second. Let's see your message now. I mean, this is a key level to hold, which we are doing. Bought 0.04 and sold at 0.12. 0.04. I mean, I also bought the lows, and I also sold because it went up. It went up a lot. I don't need to be in a coin that will go up like 300% when I can be in the ones that are going up higher. But I rotated my profits basically. But yeah, now I do regret it because I didn't want to sell it thinking it was not going to go much higher. I didn't sell at 0.12 though. I wouldn't sell there. I sold around here, around these levels when we started struggling. But yeah, I wouldn't be selling them here because I think this whole area is next, around 0.2, 0.3 maybe. But Rose is great. Rose is fucking amazing. So if you want a lower risk coin, I just hold Rose. As you can see, it's in my favorites. Let's see how they are performing. Also recently got a small position here. Grayscale will fill for privacy ETF. I mean, who knows? I mean, it's really arbitrary. It could happen, but that is not something that I'm too concerned about. It could happen over time, but I still think we have a lot of upside potential, so wouldn't be selling it unless you just want to rotate your profits like I did into something else, like Peter maybe. By the way, this is the only coin Let me try to find it. Let me try to remember. The only coin I'm underwater on right now. Oh yeah, lava. This one. I don't know why it's taking so long to load, but this is probably the only coin I'm underwater on right now. Because I bought somewhat higher, but I'm not concerned. I talked about the coin with Trader SZ, and he said he's underwater as well. But look at this, it's a 5 million market cap coin, and you can buy it on MEXC. So why wouldn't I? Try to have coins. Oh yeah, new coins. Wait, you try to have the coins that didn't play in the last bull run, that weren't doing great, or the coins that are new, so they didn't have a chance to have an all-time high. Can't give a good example. I mean, if you're talking about the situation where you're trying to get new coins, that is something I'm backing. So yeah, most of my coins that I own are relatively new. I guess the only ones are probably... Wait a second. Here, I don't think that is a new coin. Just check on KuCoin. Yeah, this is not a new coin. This is one of the old coins that I own, but it's still so small that I want to be in. And it's a great project. Have working them. They are working all the time. So this is also not a new coin, but I'm recently reducing my position in it because I don't like how it's moving. Just 1 second. Yeah, this is a trade idea that worked. By the way, buy the lows, stop loss below here. Altcoins, lots of back holders, they got near. Exactly. That is the exact reason why I'm not looking to go into altcoins. Except if there is something big happening with them, like with Peer. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of this one. I think this is the oldest chart there is. It might be. I don't know, but it is small. I still have a solid position in it, but I'm reducing and rotating my money into things like SDEX. Like yeah, this one is great. Ator or Ator, however it's called. He had a move here, but no one cares. I bought yesterday, advised my friends to buy yesterday, or 2 days ago, I don't know. I just want to increase my position. So, if we break above this, let's say this is the half of the range. Let's say this is the half of the range. Yeah, perfect with this, perfect with these. This one almost, and we retested it today. I think the next target is 1.23, and if we do something like this, I mean, because let's try it out like this, because we've already done this, so the top of the range makes sense now. Ondo is really good. Good new coin, just broke from the falling wedge. Let me just check it out. And then above this, if it manages to reclaim, maybe hold it a bit, do something like this, and go to new highs. And where the fuck is rainy jazz playing in the background? Give me house music. Deep Deep House Year Mix 2023, I guess. Okay. I just had an offer from VX. I was wondering if you're interested for a partnership, but I'm already torn between Femex and VX, so I don't know about that. Wait a second. I'm here in a minute. Okay, I'm here. I don't know why my PC is lagging so much, by the way. I really don't have that much shit going on. Let me just see. Yeah, see how this is going. Cell volume is on point. On fucking point. Yeah, let's check condo. Oh yeah, already pulled it up. I mean, yeah, this is new as fuck. Like, I might even buy it. Let me just see how the token is looking. Although this is still a relatively high market cap for such a new coin. Yeah, January 24th. I don't know how they managed to get to 350 million with in a month. So okay, supply, a lot of supply, but that's fine. Yeah, it's still early. You're right. And it's on most of the exchanges already, so I don't see Binance right here. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair, actually. Recently, most of them did. Let me just see which rank Tia is. Yeah, number 30 already. January 2025. Yeah. Most of the move would have already happened by then, so that is fine. I like this one. I might even buy it. Oh, by the way, let me just forward the picture of my current portfolio to the group. $7.5 milli is lovely, but it seems not to be holding up. One second. I'm just checking. I don't know why I have this one here, but I don't need it anymore. I already bought the breakout here. This one denying of resistance makes sense. Let me just see this. I might look to play it now because I want to trade a bit. I might look for something like this. Maybe if we go to, this looks like a lower time frame distribution, by the way. So if we go to this chart, I don't need this now. Actually, let me clear the chart. I don't care. This area looks like a good area to flip from. So that is a zone I'm looking to short from. Maybe if I want to get early, I could get in here. And the aim, the targets would be around here probably. Maybe here as well. So yeah, let's just mark out all the levels. So yeah, going below this level would be confirmation of a bearish move. I mean, I'm talking in the 15-minute chart, of course. Keep that in mind. But since we've had our tag down, I would love something like this. Store it here. Play TP1, TP2, and TP3 either here or here. So that is something I would like to see on the lower time frame. Maybe we see us revisiting 47.2 around here. But I wouldn't be shorting until there, so that is something I'm looking for. Or we gotta move like this. And maybe we long it from here, maybe we long it from here. I don't know. These are the scenarios I'm looking to play actually. So let me just see if there is anything interesting. always keep this in mind. This is the 15-minute chart, so it will get bought up pretty easily. I traded some Femex, by the way. Yeah, I'm short. Targeting this, stops right above this line. Give me those lows, baby. Give me those lows. Check this out. Selling is still harder than buying, so I don't see a reason for us to go up now. Like now, basically in the next 5 minutes or something, or 30 seconds even. Because this is getting pretty close. Yeah, they're not letting it drop, by the way. Let's go to the 5-minute chart, maybe. Yeah, all of these are intertwining here, so made sense for it to drop. One moment. I mean, I'm up 66% on the trade right now, but it's a 100x trade, so do I take profit here? Do I take profit here or put stops? Yeah, look how they bought it up. Look how they bought it up. Perfect, perfect actually. Might take profit, honestly, if it goes up above this. Then look for the next play. Yeah, I'm taking profit. I don't care. Maybe we go back to this level now. If we go back lower now, I'll just look for longs. Basically day trading it. Let me just open up Femex on the second screen so I can do it a bit better. By the way, let me check how long I've been live. I've been live for an hour and 15 minutes, not bad, honestly. But I like doing this. I mean, if there were more people, we would have a bigger chat happening, the whole thing behind the live stream, but it's fine still. just chilling, watching the charts. Something I would usually do, and just talking to you guys. Yeah, going up to the area that I said previously, this whole Wix situation. Touching anything right now. Yeah, going up now. I might short it. Now we are waiting for this, if it gives us. Something like this. Or maybe even higher, something like this. Yeah, maybe like this. Still good enough. So yeah. Want to give me the order fill. to get filled, but I don't seem to be able to. Okay, fill me up, fill me in. Doesn't look like it wants to. By the way, let me see. Video. Oh, okay. Wow, this is a low cap. 2 million. But it's only on here. I don't know. Let me just see how this works. Oh, I'm in. Let's see how it's going. Might get stopped instantly. I don't know. What a close stop. I basically want to get stopped instantly if we go up above here. Even though we could get back in after. I don't care. See ya, brother. Right now in profit on the play. Yo, what's up, pizza man? Most of the guys left by now, but I'm just chilling, doing some day trading. Still haven't gotten stopped on this one, but it's pretty close. There is something I talked about which I wouldn't mind your opinion on, and it's this. Basically, I have a new theory that at the moment we are in this phase, and we will have like maybe 10 consolidation days, maybe something like this. 10 days, maybe around a week, maybe around 2 weeks or something like that. And I think we are there. So if we did the move from the bottom, let's just see, 90%. I don't want to see how far away we are from the bottom now. I mean, a lot more, but I guess you could say from here or from here. Yeah, it's still fine. It's still fine. It could still relatively be like that. So what I wanted to say is, I think at the moment, actually let's do it like this. I still haven't perfected it out, by the way. That's why I'm struggling so much. But from this big consolidation area, this is the move that we are at right now, or at least I think this. Okay, so we had a big consolidation here, moved up. Yeah, this would be the scenario. We were consolidating here in this area. We had our move up, hit a top once, went above. We are now consolidating in this area, and I think the next move, it takes us to like all-time highs. Yeah, all-time highs basically, or basically at least revisit the highs or go above them, would be this. And then we still have a huge move up, something like this would be the case. 1 second. That will maybe take us above 100k, something like this. So we are consolidating for a few days now. Chop just to bait in more shorts and get a weekend. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I was honestly being biased towards maybe hitting like 45k or something like that, and still staying bullish. So this whole area for me is still fine. 47.2 would be a bit concerning, losing 47.2, but still I'm not getting bearish unless we lose like 43.8 or something. I'll still be longing the shit out of the market. So yeah, but macro look would be this for me. Like us being in this phase right here, where we consolidated, still hit green candles. We push up to the all-time highs, like here, consolidate a bit, maybe get a drop to 58s, 55s, I don't know, and then go on our way to 100k plus. So that is something I'm looking at. That is something I was talking about with the guys earlier. There were a few people back when we started, so I just wanted to hear your opinion on that. Maybe you could do some liquidity charts in the Telegram, and we look based off of that. So, but I don't think we have big liquidity levels that high and that far away from the price, so wouldn't make much sense if we're being honest. But yeah, let me see how my trade is doing. Going to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, looking great, looking great. Not moving much, but anyways. By the way, what are you doing? Like, you doing any work? Just chilling? I don't know what time is it for you. For me, it's almost 4 in the afternoon, so looking to maybe end the stream soon because I've been streaming for an hour and a half, and might go grab something to eat. Might go hit the gym a bit. Just go back to watching the markets for the whole day. I'm out of water. We've only had a few big liquidations here, so I don't know. Volume is dying off a bit. I mean, it's still 3.1 billion on the sell side, but it's slowing down. 8:45 a.m. Texas. Wow. It's still early as fuck for you though. 2 year, let me check it out. I wanna see that. Where can I find it though? Oh, in the group. Okay, I can see it. Yeah, basically no liquidity. At least as far as the upside goes. Yeah. I mean, who would keep their orders with the price being so far away? It doesn't make much sense. So I don't know. Yeah, it's going my way. By the way, a few minutes ago, like when this was happening, I was like, yeah, let me maybe short the market as we were losing this level. And I saw this significant level. I mean, it's a lower time frame one, but I did a 100x trade. Got in around here, closed around here. Happy days. Now in a new position here, so looking good overall. Let me just see the 1 year heat map. I mean, 55k, 52k. Yeah, 52k is probably the biggest level that we had now, that we have coming up now, so makes sense. me just see how the Monday's range is looking, where the top is. Oh yeah, we're below the Monday's high now. That's interesting. Maybe I keep my TP lower then. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't aim from this level now. But we could easily get it though. I guess I'll stream for a few more minutes, like 15 minutes max. Just see how this trade plays out. And then close it and go on without any trades. At least not the bigger ones. I still have a trade on blow thing with a BTC long and a Solana long. Let me just see how Solana is doing. Yeah, not looking the best now. I'll probably reduce my size if we manage to lose this level. Let me see how it's doing. Futures. Not doing the best. 50% up now. BTC is going well. We just put a TP at like 48 to 50 first. Let's see, but I think we keep pushing up. Yeah, exactly. Then we might be headed towards all-time highs because if they want to knock out the loan liquidity around 25k, they should do it very soon. Yeah, exactly. But I don't think we get the 25k move, to be honest. Like, we would need such a big Black Swan event, like such a big catalyst to actually move down to 25%. Because it was close when we were at like 40k's, maybe even lower. 35k. That was extremely realistic. Go to the daily. I just want to see it. You know, if you were around 40k, 25k wouldn't be that far away. But now that we are at 50k, it wouldn't make much sense. Like it would break the whole market structure if we went to 25k. 35k, somewhat realistic, but still. This whole area for me is the one that should hold if we manage to go down. I could go on this chart, but it's a bit messy. So this whole area is filled with liquidity. So I don't think we go below that at max. Like that's 39k, but I still think 47 should hold up the next few days. And maybe after that, this whole clutter of liquidity, let's say it like that, should hold. I see us as being extremely bullish the past few weeks, and there's still no reason for us to stop. On a lower time frame like now, yeah, for sure. 53k should be a top on a bigger time frame, but still. I don't know. I don't know. Let me stop break even now. I want to stop at like 49k, 49.50. Yeah. Let me see what Nick is saying. Continue to load puts. I'm just wondering if this whole move gets bought up. Because the past few days they've been buying up around this time. And I'm selling around like 4 to 5 hours from now, whatever your time is. Like for me it's 8 p.m. but that's what they've been doing the past few days, so I don't know if they will do a similar thing again. Or if it gets flipped around. Getting close to my TPs. Just let me TP this shit and go away. I've been streaming for 2 hours in like 14 minutes, sitting here watching charts. Yeah, but not saying this as an argument, but I just want to hear, do you actually think it's possible? Like, because I don't think it's possible. At least if some... Do you expect it? I'll rephrase myself. Do you expect it to happen? Because I don't, honestly. Like, with what's been going on the past few days, the past few weeks, whatever you want to say, I think the people who have been buying, like the people behind all of this, the whole move, this one maybe, know something, because like this is not a healthy move, but it is a move that moves the markets during a bull market. So we are somewhere around here, as far as I know. This, if we are there, 30% move on the top, and if we are here now, $35K would be the move, the downside move, if we didn't get it now. If we were like here, yeah, exactly. Because a lot of new people are just coming in, and I think if we get the down move, I don't know, it might scare them away too soon, to be honest. Like imagine people getting in above 40k, 45k. They will get scared off if we go to like 35 or even lower. So I don't know how healthy that would be for them, because they wouldn't get as much money as they wanted to. So yeah, this is a crazy 4-hour candle, by the way. This is mental. I don't know the last time that we had a candle that big. Let me see. 3% 4-hour candle to the downside. Yeah, we haven't had a candle like that in a long time. Maybe we see something like this on a different scale right here. So maybe we revisit the Monday's low. Yeah, exactly. We just played level to level. There is no need for us to stress. My spot bags are loaded. I can load more. That is something I'm happy about. I didn't go all in, so I still have. I mean, I sent a message to the Telegram. That is not everything I hold, but it's something to look. Yeah, USDT is 30% on the exchange. I'm happy with where I am, to be honest. Like the only thing I'm not liking with us going down would be my shitcoins on Solana and on ETH, but still, who the fuck cares? It's a shitcoin for a reason. I'll just buy more because the ghost one actually seems like it will go crazy, so I don't mind it. Yeah, then again, this might just be a shakeout. I don't wanna. I'm not going to turn bearish, but this whole thing might just get bought up in the next few hours. Who knows? Let me go to the other chart. How my trade is. Yeah, Johnny just said, time for all the bears who missed this rally to flex their shorts, just a round trip then by tomorrow. That is something I think is going to happen. I don't think this is a sustained move to the downside, to be honest. It's a far trip to where I will get invalidated with my bullishness. So, still thinking this gets bought up. The only thing I find weird is the fact that 50k was actually the top, the local top at least. I don't care, because I had a bias that something like, let's go to the other chart, that something like this would happen. Either this gets faked out, people don't manage to get their shorts in, people don't manage to get their TPs in, whatever it is. Doesn't matter if you're on the short or the long side. This gets like front ran by a few $100. 49.5 was my goal. That was one of the scenarios, and the second scenario would be something like this. Go up above 50k, something like this. And then don't let the people grab the 50k move. Like, go lower and go to 52k, possibly even 53k, just because you don't want to let people get what they want. And 50k was a pretty obvious psychological level, so I expected something to happen just like it did here. 40.5 blasted through instantly, didn't even wait a second before going higher, didn't let people get in back on it. So that is something I wanted to see here. I find it weird, the fact that it didn't happen like that, but I honestly don't care. Like, a few percent move difference doesn't matter to me. 4%, what is it? It's nothing when you look at the higher time for the scale. But yeah, it's retracing a bit now. Yeah, because the hourly candle closed, so makes sense. just don't want to get stopped break even now. Is that the 6.8? Yeah, I think it is. If you're talking about this one. Wait, it's not on this chart. It's on this one. Yeah, this is the 0.618 of the whole move. Whole move down. From the top to the bottom, so... I haven't done this actually. I might do it now. I don't think this is relevant, but doing it just for fun. Maybe somewhere like this. Of the whole move up, the... Yeah, I mean, this doesn't do anything useful at least, because it would get similar levels by... Oh wait. Fuck me. Yeah, like this. And do something like this here. Yeah, mostly this zone right here is the interest area, so... But you could also get it with deleting this, having the similar pictures, so... Right now we are above the 0.618, which is at 48.5 or something like that. Let me just check it out. 6. Yeah, 48.6. Basically the same thing. But we are getting close, so I don't know. I mean, looking at it from a 1 hour time frame doesn't matter, but if we close candles on the 4 hour or a bigger time frame, I think that is when it starts mattering a bit. But closing above it would be great. Then again, now thinking about it, this could be a big deviation. It'll go back up. Yeah. Imagine if this becomes a big deviation of the 0.618 of the whole move. What am I doing? On a higher time frame, of course. Like this, and it just goes down. I mean, that is not my bias, but just imagine something like that happening. We'll fuck everyone up. Oh, but yeah. They'll go back up for sure. I think this is all an intraday move, so... Come on, I'm getting close to my TP. I might just start doing this, like live streaming for a few hours and just day trading with insignificant positions. The only thing I'm not a fan of is the fact that I still haven't found my exchange. So I'm trading on Blowfin, on Famex right now, buying spot on MaxC, and I'm thinking I'm torn up between actually partnering up with Famex, with which one was it? BingX, yeah. And WeX just reached out to me, but I don't know about WeX. I haven't even tried it. And I like BingX because it has traditional finances, so might start playing around with that. Yeah, same. Thinking about it's just about time for it to get bought up. Especially with this whole thing. Like this right here, maybe. This zone. Combined with the 618. This is the area where it should get bought up, so I'm not worried. Yeah, let me see how VX is looking. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't look that interesting. Yeah, this should look like it's retracing completely, so I might just close it in profit. At least let me put my stops above break even now. Just like this. Somewhere around here, I think. 48.950. Just so we can get closer to ending the stream. It's been 2 hours now. By the way, I'm looking to organize a call with you guys on Discord tomorrow. So if you will be up around this time tomorrow, so we might hop into a calls or something like that and just talk it out. So if you want to join, feel free to. I mean, I don't know how many people are in the Discord. I don't usually use Discord. I prefer Telegram, but share screen is only available on Discord, so I'm limited to that. What the fuck? Why the fuck did the music get? I don't know what it is. Might be Discord opening. Yeah, we got a few people up in here. Yeah, that's alright. Below the 0.618 now. We're getting so close to my TP. Racing stops even lower. 48.870 for me at least now. Going to grab some food and do a few errands, sure. Yeah, thank you for finding time to stop by. I'll get food as well. Thank you for stopping by, bro. I guess I'll hear from you in the group, in the Telegram, so I'll be here for a few more minutes if anyone joins. And I really do appreciate your support for what you've been doing, so yeah, thank you. yeah, guys, I think I'll end it here. I mean, I have the trade up, but the stops are basically right here, so if you get stopped out, I'll be like in 80 or 70% up in profit, so I'm happy with that. I want to go to the gym actually. That's why I'm stopping it, because it's already 4:15 p.m. for me, so I've streamed for 2 hours and 5 minutes. I'm happy with how this looks, because it's pretty chill. Like, the people who want to be here are here, so hop in, hop out, talk about shit. Basically, just a chill stream, so I'm hopping out here for you guys watching the recording after, and that's about it. Oh, I'm about to get filled on my TP, which is nice. So yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow actually, so yeah, bye bye.